You already know what time it is, man. It's a blessing ass day, bro. I ain't gonna complain. Feel me? We out here. You gotta get it while you can. You feel me? But, yeah, go to Project, y'all. Oh, yeah. Check it out, check it out. Ooh. Ooh. Yo. Oh, yeah. This gonna be fun, man. It feels good to start running my own shit, you feel me? Check out your boy, though. Yeah, baby. Over here building this shit for that reverse stairs. That shit about to come from up there, drop down here. Close that up. Yeah, you heard me. Like I said, man. One day at a time. God bless and do shine. Don't forget it, y'all. Stay blessed. Ooh, that song looking good right now, though. I ain't gonna hold it up. Yeah.